Hi, this is Editor Troxel, and today we're going to start a new little series looking for envelopes. And there are multiple places that envelopes can be, and so we're going to look how to create a routine to search for those envelopes, and then we're going to kind of expand on that over the next several tutorials. And in this first tutorial, we're going to look specifically for track level envelopes. And so first we need to see what kind of envelopes we have available for us on the track, and then we'll look to see how we can find those envelopes. Like, subscribe, and let me know what tutorials you'd like to see in the future, and let's see how we can find a track level envelope. First of all, we realize we have two different kinds of tracks that we can have. First of all, we have a video track, and second of all, we have an audio track, and technically they can both have different types of envelopes. So let's look at our video track, and if we right click the video track, we have Insert Remove Envelope, and there's three types of envelopes that we can add. One is Mute, Composite Level, and Fade to Color. Now if we do the same thing on the audio track, we will see that we have Mute, Volume, and Pan. So let's see how we would find an envelope on a track. First of all, we want to get our track. My track equals myvegas.project.track 0, and 0 is the video track. Then we're going to get an envelope, which I just called ENV, and we're going to call our routine find track envelope. We're going to pass it a track, and then we're going to pass it the envelope type that we're looking for. In this particular case, our three options are Mute, Composite Level, and Fade to Color. So I just chose Composite, but as you can see when we press the dot here, there are a lot of different options that can be chosen. So we have volume there at the bottom, all the way up to Automation Max and Automation Min at the top, then a bunch of bus level envelopes, the fade to color, bunch of FX envelopes, motion blur, mute, pan, which we'll look at for the audio, and so forth. And so there are a lot of different envelopes we can choose from. Then, if the envelope equals null, we're going to just say not found. Otherwise, we're going to say found. So, looking for this composite envelope on this track. Right now we know our project has no envelopes on it, so it should return not found. And it does. Now let's right click, choose Insert Remove, and let's go ahead and add a composite level. While we're here, let's go ahead and insert remove a volume, and we'll insert remove a pan on the audio track, so they'll already be there. So now let's run this script again. Now the composite envelope is found. Now let's go back to our script and let's change this to track 1. And now we're going to look for a volume envelope. And let's see what happens. It says the volume envelope was found. If we look for a pan envelope on the audio, it shows the pan envelope was found. Now if we look for a mute envelope on the audio track, it says it was not found. So here's how the actual looking for an envelope works. First of all, we're calling the find track envelope, and we're passing it the track, and then we're passing it the envelope type that we want to look for. Now all we are doing is doing a for each, and we're looking for all envelopes in track.envelopes. Then if the envelope type equals the type that we're looking for, we are returning that envelope. And if we never find one of that type, then we return null. So that's how we can check to see here if envelope equals null, it was not found. Otherwise, it was found. And so this is how we find a track level envelope. I hope you find this tutorial useful. We'll look in the next tutorial on how to find envelopes on events. And so the process is basically exactly the same, but now we have to go down to the event level in order to find the particular envelope that we're looking for. And we'll see what kind of envelopes are available there as well. So join us in the next tutorial and like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Please sign up at www.jettv.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.